you learn so much more from the other creator. You understand? You'll never know everything we want. You learn so much more from the other creator, and you can also take advantage of their audience. You know, when that person already has an audience, you have an audience, you post together, you steal each other's audiences. You understand? So you learn so much, and you get support from a person that truly, truly understands what exactly it is that you go through in the content space. You understand? So I am definitely interested in collaborating with other creators, and I feel like any creator that's clever should view that as an investment.
You have worked with brands, so many brands you have worked with. I'm sure as a creative, you've got goals, you've got ambitions. To ask Uguti, which brands would you want to work with in the future? Maybe local, even international, regional. Which brands do you see yourself working with in the future, near future?
It would have to be any brand that focuses on girl-child empowerment. I'm for that. Like, I'm a girl's girl. If you want to put me on a billboard that is written girl power, you know, I'm for that. I'm definitely for that. Because I feel like as women, we tend to feel so comfortable in believing that if I like this particular woman, she can empower me. You know, I was raised by a very strong woman. I was raised by a very strong woman, and I had to look up to her to become the person that I am today. So if there's somebody that likes me, I would definitely want to be associated with a brand that can help her become a better version of herself. You understand? So anything that speaks girl empowerment, that speaks skills for the girl, that speaks about building confidence for a woman, I'm for that.
077